Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with valuecharts.com, and today we're going to be taking a look, continuing on with our Consistently Profitable Trader series. We're going to talk about three of the core beliefs that consistently profitable traders have. So what are the three big things that consistently profitable traders believe in? Now, the first thing that you have to believe in, or that you have to have faith in or confidence in, is your trading strategy. Now, what do I mean by your trading strategy? I mean the rules that you are following to get into or get out of the market. All right, you have to have belief in that strategy or in a series of strategies that you're using, because if you don't believe that those strategies are going to work, then there's no way you're going to have the confidence to stick with those strategies and follow those rules when you need to. So when it's time to pull the trigger to get long, if you don't have the confidence or the belief that that strategy is actually going to work, you're not going to pull the trigger to get long. If it's time to pull the trigger to get short, you're not going to get short if you don't believe that that strategy is actually going to work. Now, one of the ways of becoming more confident in your strategies is by going back and back testing them. And now I'm not saying go and load it up on an automated strategy and then run that automated strategy over and over and over again. No, what I'm saying is go back and look at a chart and spend a few hours looking at where these strategies have triggered, where you would have gotten in, where you would have gotten out, how the market moved. And do this, if you go and look at a few thousand different times that your strategy triggered on several different time frames, and you see that it worked several thousand times, that's going to do more than any other thing will do to help build up your confidence in that strategy. Now, the next thing that consistently profitable traders believe in is they believe in themselves. So you have to believe in yourself as a trader, meaning you have to believe that you have the confidence and you have the ability to and the discipline to sit there and wait for these strategies to set up, wait for the market to set up, and then jump in. One of the ways I like to phrase it is you have to have a certain degree of arrogance and a certain degree of fear to be a successful trader. Now, you have to have the arrogance in that you have to have confidence in your trading. You have to be able to say, look, I know this is going to work. I've seen it work 100 times. I'm going to get into this market. All right. Because sometimes you might be going against the market. Sometimes you might be doing something that you don't think is everybody else is thinking is going to happen. So everybody's saying the market's going to go down, but your strategy is sitting there going, hey, it's time to get long. And you're saying to yourself, look, it's time to get long. I don't care what everybody else is saying. You have to have faith and confidence in yourself that your strategy is going to work. Now, you also have to have a certain degree of fear. And the reason you have to have a certain degree of fear in your trading is because the fear is going to keep you humble. Because if you don't stay humble and you don't keep in mind that the market can eat you up and spit you out, then you might get too overconfident and just start throwing money at the market. And that's one of the fastest ways to blow up an account. And if you don't have fear, then you'll be the person that ends up trading and taking 2 steps forward and 3 steps backwards, because you'll have a couple of weeks of winners and then you'll turn around and in 1 day or 2 days lose all the gains that you just had and blow up all the profits you just made. So you have to have the fear and the respect for the market, but at the same time, you have to have the confidence to stick to your strategy. And the last belief of consistently profitable traders is they believe in the system. They believe in the system they're following. So the strategy may be when you get long or get short. The system is over time, all these strategies put together across all these markets should turn out and play out correctly. So over time, your system should end up being profitable. If you don't have the confidence in your system and you don't believe that your system is actually going to work, what you'll end up doing, and I've seen this happen to hundreds of traders, is you start a new strategy, you start a new system or method of trading, and you trade it for a week and you go, this doesn't work at all, and you change it. You trade it for another 2 or 3 days, you go, this doesn't work at all, and you change it again. And you never give the strategy and the systems time to actually play out. You got to keep in mind, your system is designed to make money over the long run. I have never heard of a trader that's never had a down day or a down week. Okay, so you can have a down week and a down day, but over time, your system should still be profitable. And if you don't believe in your system, then you're not going to have the nerve or the confidence to stick with the system even during a period of drawdown, and then ride out that drawdown all the way back up and start following through with the winning on the other side. Okay, so if you want to learn 2 more great tips for becoming a consistently profitable trader, just go to valuechartstips.com/consistent. Right down here at the bottom of your screen, you can see it, valuechartstips.com/consistent will give you 2 more huge advantages or huge reasons or ways to become a more consistently profitable trader. That's all I have for you for today. And until next time, happy trading.